Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Defense Measures, and today we are going to discuss about our thumbnail topic. The Russian and the Chinese aircraft enters in the US border, and they are entering and the patrolling near the Alaska region. And after that, the Canada is very tense about their security, and they seeking help from the US government. So the North American Aerospace Defense Command intercept the two Russian fighters and the two Chinese nuclear capable planes near the Alaska region. Maybe you can see in this picture that these two, and after that, in the retaliation, one Canadian fighter and the three US fighters are also going towards these Chinese and the Russian nuclear capable bombers when they are approaching toward the US and the Canada. So these are the Chinese bomber which going towards the US and the Russia in their patrolling. And after that, these Chinese and the Russian these Chinese and the Russian nuclear capable bombers are doing exercise and the patrol near the US border, and after that they enters in the Alaska region. And the Putin's Ministry of the Defense, the Russian Defense Forces officially stated that they conducted the patrol near the US border with the help of Chinese forces. And they also mention in their tweet that we successfully enters in the Alaska region with very proud. And after that, after that, the Canada's Justin Trudeau are very tense about this situation because they entered towards the Canada first, then after the US. Maybe you can see in this video, this is the Chinese bomber which is refueling, and these Chinese bombers are backed by the Sukhoi 35 fighter jets. So we will see in this video that where this maybe you can see this red square. So this exercise is conducted between this area, but they cross. I don't know that's unintentionally or intentionally they cross this Alaska region, and after that they are in their international border, and they patrol near the US Alaska border. And Chinese nuclear bomber is going towards the Alaska, and cover was provided by the Su-35 fighter, which is the fifth generation fighters of the Russia. Maybe you can see this. This is B-2 bomber. This is the B-2 bomber, which is also the nuclear capable bomber of the and one of the best and the fifth generation bomber of the US government. And this has a features like this is stealthy in nature. The radar are not able to easily identify this because this is their outer layer is made up of graphite, and which also provides the strong and also reflected the sonar waves, the radio waves which is sending by the radar. And after that, this radar waves are reflected towards here and there, and it cannot go back to the radar station. So this is how this stealth work, and it also have a paint which can absorb the radar waves or the radio waves very easily, and it can carry it can carry up to 336 into 1000 pounds of the weight. And this is the top speed of the this is 1010 kilometer per hour, and it is two-person crew, pilot and the commander, and cap it has a capacity to it has a capacity to it is capable towards the nuclear. And now coming towards the India does not have a bomber right now, but we are working on our MCA project, which is also have a which is the advanced medium combat aircraft, which is focusing major focus on the fifth generation fighter. But the most of countries achieved their fifth generation fighters like F2 Raptor, F-22 Raptors of the US and the Russian Su-35s are the already fifth generation and had this stealth capacity. And the stealth comes from the combination of the reduced acoustic and the infrared visual and the radar signal to evade the various detection system. You can see that their engines are inside, little bit of inside, and only some of their portions is visible. This helps them to this helps them to provide a cover from the heat seeking radars. There are some radars which uh, which are which detect the aircraft with their heat seeking capabilities. Like if the because the engine is burning the fuel and it is more than about 3000 degrees Celsius. So it for the heat seeking radars it is very easily identified to identify and detect these aircrafts. So this B2 bomber has the inside the which make them the stealthy from the radar and the heat seeking radars. Maybe you understand this situation. Thank you.